everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, today I'm going to be unboxing the Disney Doorables Ultimate Collector Case. This collector case includes 7 figures total and this beautiful case to store and display your Disney Doorables. It comes with 3 visible figures. You get 3 exclusive figures that are visible. We have sparkly, shimmery Pascal. It looks like a flocked Simba, and we have a translucent Nemo. Okay. Then it also includes 4 mystery figures, and I'm not sure if they are going to be exclusive, like with a different finish, just like the other ones, but we'll see. Let's get it unboxed. Guys, I found this on Amazon. You could find it too. I will put my shopping links in my description. We're going to be filling it up with the advent calendar. Doorables. If you haven't watched that video already, I'm going to put that link at the top of the screen now. You could also check out my Disney Doorables playlist. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. Let's get it opened up. I think fans of Disney Doorables are really going to appreciate this. I love that Just Play also makes storage containers and display cases for their products. It really just proves that these toys are, yes, they are made to play with, but they're also made to collect, play, and display. So I really, really love that aspect of it. I love collecting toys, and I love the fact that we have a vessel to keep them in. Let's open it up. Let's see how it is housed. This. Oh, that's cool. All right. So this is actually just a translucent piece. I actually like this. I might keep it. We'll see how that goes. Let me take out the 3 exclusive figures first. Here we have Pascal. He's got a beautiful shimmery finish. Very, very, very shiny. Got some glitter in there as well. Just Play is really letting us know what they can do with these figures, so stay tuned. New seasons are going to be even more incredible. As we saw in previous series from the original toy maker, when Just Play took over in late series 3, we had some flocked figures. So this is the first flocked figure that we're seeing by Just Play, which is really awesome. They do not have any flocked figures in series 4. The flocking is really, really nice. Very, very soft, almost plush-like, where it feels like you could almost squeeze him and just give him a cuddle. I would love that. A little tiny baby plush. How cute would that be? But this is really, really nice. I love it. Comparing it to the other Just Play Simba, you can see there is a difference. They're both looking in 2 different directions. So you're going to want to get this flocked one. I think that's pretty awesome. I'm sorry if you're screaming in the background. My kids are always home. Now, finally, this is the last exclusive. We have Nemo, and he is translucent and beautiful. Hopefully, we'll see more of these finishes in future series. Let's check out the checklist, and I'm sure this is the series 4 checklist. Yes, it is. Nothing new here that we've seen. I was really hoping to get the fire spirit. I think we actually have him, but I can't remember. Now I'm going to open up the 4 mystery figures. Hopefully they're packaged in blind bags. If not, this video is going to be really short. They are in blind bags. Hooray! Let's take a look at the actual case before I open them. I love what they did with the artwork. You can see the repetition of the artwork from the actual packaging for the new series. They really made it playful, really made it fun. And the fact that you can actually store more than 1 figure inside. So if you're gonna have it upright, yes, it's gonna be really neat and nice. Let's say with my kids, I just shove everything in. These, I have 24 here right now. I'm definitely going to get all of them in. We're going to be able to close them. So before I get all sloppy and crazy, let me take these out. I love the clear display case. Oh my gosh, so cool. Let's get these blind bags out. Get these guys out of here. Evicting them. We got Donald Duck. Oh, he's so cute, Donald Duck. Oh my gosh, he has his big red bow and he is just so adorable. Look at his blue hat. I love Donald. He's the #1 duck. He's so stinking cute. So they do not have fancy finishes on them. The exclusive ones are what's really going to make you get this. Oh my goodness, we have a duplicate of Ursula. Now I'm just curious, does she have the same exact look on her face? Where did she go? Did she leave? Did I drop her on the floor? I can't find her. Oh, here she is. She's still got the same look. All right, I threw her now. Oh my goodness, we have the fairy godmother from Cinderella. The Cinderella figures are rare, so they are very hard to find. And we almost have all of them because I did buy a lot of these Disney Doorables. Finally, last line bag. Oh my gosh, and we got Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast. This is so cool. Donald, the #1 duck, and then we got three iconic Disney films. We got Ursula from The Little Mermaid, Fairy Godmother from Cinderella, and we got Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast. We also have these 3 exclusive figures. We have a shimmery, shiny Pascal from Tangled, a flocked version of Simba from The Lion King, and we have Nemo. And I know it's Nemo because we got that lucky fin over here, and he is translucent and adorable. I love this case. Let's see how many we could just drop in. You're going to be able to display 30 Disney Doorables, 1 in each little shelf cubby. However, if you're like me and your kids are just going to constantly use this handle to take it with them on the go, that's definitely not happening. My kids are just going to be using this to no avail. So let's just dump it in like how it's supposed to be, shall we? It's called the dump. Yes. And guess what? This is really, really easy way to clean up. So once my kids are done lining them up, looking at them, adoring them, and then they're done with them, look who cleans them up. Mommy does. Late at night crying over her life choices. But guess what? Not anymore. Can you believe this? That is 20. I have 31 in there right now. And they're not even all in the cubbies. You could check me out on my Instagram. I'm going to show you how many I could fit inside here on my Instagram at play.live.repeat. And I'm sure I'm going to get like 60 in here total. So pretty awesome. I'm probably not going to get our full collection in there because we have from series 1 to series 3 as well. However, that's totally cool. Now your kids can take these with them on the go and show off their Disney Doorables in style. Take a look at this adorable artwork on the back. It's actually a part of it, so it's really, really nicely done. I love that little cupcake with the heart. It's a little trash can. That's so cute. Okay, guys, let me know what you think of this in the comments below. How would you be displaying your Disney Doorables? Like a sloppy mess, like a mom, or just like as a real collector way I would have done it had my children not wanted to play with these, but they want to play with them, so let's play and display. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a Disney Doorables-tastic day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye! Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a Disney Doorables-tastic day.